everywhere people stare each and every day. I can see them laugh at me and I hear them say, hey, you've got to hide your love away. Hey, you've got to hide your love away.
Okay, so You Gotta Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles, but also covered by Oasis. I'm going to use a bit of a mix of both. We're going to use the G add 5 instead of the G. You can use the G if you like. The G add 5, you've got these two fingers here, a bit like Wonderwall and all that sort of stuff. So we've got the little finger on the 3rd fret of string 1 and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of string 2, and then the G shape up here, which is the 1st finger at fret 2 of string 5 and the 2nd finger at fret 3 of string 6. And it sounds like that. The C we're going to use, we're going to just move these two fingers down and keep these two fingers in the same place. So that's a C add 9, a G add 5, C add 9, and then a normal D. Okay, an F, you can play an F, a simple F like that. If you don't know the F, go to the Patreon site and there is a free video to show you that F, and that F, and even that F. So you can choose which F you like. I use that one. But patreon.com/chrisjconnelly, it shows you those Fs free of charge, and this will be free probably as well. Okay, so we've got the G add 5, C add 9, we've got the D, and we've got whichever F you choose. Okay, they are the chords of the verse. Okay, not necessarily in the order. We will find the order in a second. Okay, and I've just played the song for you. The rhythm is 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up down down up down. I'd say it's a 6/8. Some say it's a 3/4. So it's 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. They're not the chords, I've just made that up. But that's the rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, and slowly I'll play the chords. So I'm going to say G. G add 5 is too long at this time of night. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So just practice those chords, G and the C and the G and the C. Okay, just to get the rhythm flowing and to get those two chords playing as well. So the chords are G, D, C add 5 and G, and then the C add 5, add 9 and F and C. That's the first section. I'll go through that again. It's the G or G add 5, D, the C add 9 and G add 5, back to the C or C add 9 twice, F, and back to the C again. You could use a normal C. So the normal chords G, and I don't think it sounds as good. G, D, C, and G, and C, C, F, C. play that at the normal speed, but with the add 5 and add 9 chords. Okay, a little bit faster. Okay. Then we come to the verse, and this is where it is easier to play the G add 5 and the C add 9 as well, because we're going to a D chord but with embellishments. An embellishment is where you add a note of the major scale. So in this example, we're playing the D chord, but we're going to add the 4th note of the scale, hence the sus4, and the 2nd note of the scale, hence the sus2. So it's sus4, D, sus2, D. And it's the same rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we're going from the G, add 5, to the C, add 9, to the D, sus4, the D, and the D, sus2, and back to the D again. So it's like this. It's twice on those chords. Okay. G, G, C, C, D sus4, D, D sus2, D, and again.